This seems like a base file. This is like the base AutoCAD drawing for your plan. Okay, we need to start off with this particular plan. This is a small building. This is 33 feet by 22 feet. It's a very small block. Okay, I'm going to teach you small tricks first. Try to take notes. Those of you who are working in AutoCAD 2016 and below, it's easier. I am on 2016, so please. We are looking at the tools palette. Tools, we have customize. I hope this is you all can see the screen. Tools,
Yes, sir.
Tools palette में, tool menu bar में, customize में. This is the one I'm talking about. Edit program parameters. Edit program parameters. Okay, think of it like this. I went to the market and I bought a pencil. Okay, but this pencil is of no use unless I sharpen it up. So the AutoCAD you have is that pencil, and I'm trying to teach you how to sharpen it up. Okay, tools के अंदर, those of you who cannot find this particular menu bar या ये नहीं मिल रहा है, कोई और AutoCAD है आपके ऊपर ribbon आ रहा है, something different is, I'll tell you how to reach this particular thing again. Customize में edit program parameters. When you click it, a notepad file will open. Notepad file. दिख रही है? Now
Yes,
this particular notepad file is actually the main command prompt of AutoCAD. We are in the brain of the AutoCAD. Okay. This is the list of commands which are being used. Can you see the list? This is the shortcut key and this is the actual command. All right. Please, if you cannot find it, I'll tell you how to go about it. You can go through the program files. आपका AutoCAD जहाँ installed है, उस particular folder में जाइए AutoCAD के अंदर, and then you search for the file acad.pgp. All right, acad.pgp. तो वो ये वाली notepad खुलेगी. Can you see the name of this notepad file? Can you see the name of this notepad file?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes, sir.
search for it also. You can search for it also. और उसमें भी आप खोल सकते हैं. Now, what do I do? This is the list. The list will end at a particular command called zebra. The list ends at zebra. Okay. Now you can see a bunch of commands after that. These are, I have made these commands over there. All right. Some people have even bigger lists than mine. Now please note them down. इसको note करिए आप लोग सब कोई. 1 is lay on. 2 is lay off. 3 is lay ISO. 4 is lay un-ISO. 5 is match prop. 6 is trim. 7 is extend. 8 is chamfer. I don't know how much you use this particular command. LL is lay mcur. LAYMCUR. This is layer make current. I will teach you ये कैसे क्या काम करता है ये. मान लीजिए आप वॉल बना रहे हैं और आपको विंडो की लेयर में विंडो बनानी है, what do? You open the palette and then you select Windows and then you come down to the drafting board with a window layer, right? You can use this particular command and then you click the nearest window and automatically your current layer changes to the other one which you have selected. Okay. Then we have X line, XX. I use XX and then dim align. A different list of commands. These are earlier versions of AutoCAD. आप ये ध्यान रखिएगा, zebra के बाद आपको ये लिखना है. अच्छा, इसके अलावा there are a few alterations which you can do. Okay, one of my favorite alterations I'm going to show you. Here it is. CO से copy होता है, CP से भी copy होता है. I've added C से copy. Okay. Now look at the keyboard. See the location of C and O or C and P. वो आप टाइप करने में, you understand, यहाँ से वहाँ तक उंगली चलेगी आपकी. तो टाइप करने के बजाय I just put it C for copy. Now C से होता था circle ऊपर में. So I made that CI. I hardly use circle. When I do, I'll type CI, no issues. But I use copy a lot of times. So I need a shorter command. Everybody with me so far? This is one way of doing it. ये आपने यहाँ पे commands आप change कर लेंगे. Change करने के बाद you need to save it. Please, once you have done the changes on your ACAD file, ACAD.pgp notepad file, you close it and you save it. You close it and then you shut down your AutoCAD also, and then restart it again. See, अगर आप देखें तो you don't see the command line at the bottom of the screen. ठीक है? I generally don't like to do that. मतलब मुझे पसंद नहीं आता है. When I used to work in the office, I had a 21-inch screen. ठीक है? तो जब से when I work in the laptop, मुझे वो बहुत छोटा लगता है. So there is a command called clear screen. ठीक है? Clear screen कर सकते हैं Control 0 से या Control 9 से. Okay, Control 0 or Control 9. Or there is another command. You can write ribbon close. ऊपर में if you get a big band, that is a ribbon. So you close that ribbon. It's called ribbon close. ठीक है? इससे आपका screen जो working space है बड़ा कर सकते हैं. Of course, this is I'm not suggesting it currently for everybody. जो कर सकता है वो कर सकता है. This is I'm just doing it so that you can see. ये भी एक तरीके से सब. You can see the screen. It is as big as my monitor screen. ठीक है? Okay. Now moving forward. First and foremost, please understand your crosshairs. Do you see the crosshairs? The crosshair on the cursor. Okay. If you look at the options, now I'm going to sharpen your AutoCAD. आपने एक तरीके से command से sharpen कर लिया. Now these are some settings. Crosshair, if you can see, this is full 100%. ठीक है? Crosshair working drawing में 100% चाहिए. ठीक है? You will know why. You will come to know why. All right. Now, if you look at the colors में आप जाएंगे. Your 2D space uniform background should be black. It should be black, not gray, not blue, not white, not red. Black. Okay. When you are doing working drawing, you're going to stare at the screen for long hours. Okay. You can't risk that for your eyes. Okay. So black रखिए. All right. Crosshair कर लिया आपने, colors कर लिया. Second thing is open and save, the third tab. Always keep it as 2004 version. ठीक है? मैं generally 2004 version करता हूँ क्योंकि this is the last surviving version right now. इससे पुराने version सब खत्म हो गए. 2004 से पुराना version आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. So if your setting is on 2016 or whatever, keep it at 2004. 2-3 reasons. Primarily, there won't be the same, same kind of drawing, same kind of lines, or जैसे 2004 में spline नहीं था, 2006 में spline था, so you won't be able to open it in ये. So there would be some, all of you know that there are issues of opening a latest version file in an older version software. तो इसीलिए आप पुराने इसमें सेव करके चलिए इसको. ऑलराइट. अच्छा, आपके फॉन्ट में भी इशू आते हैं, लाइन वर्क में भी इशू आने लगता है, इसीलिए ओपन एंड सेव डिस्प्ले कर लिया आपने. दिस इज ओनली दिस मच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू. ऑलराइट, मूविंग अहेड. नाउ यू सी दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लान. ये भी आपका भी ऐसे कुछ प्लान होगा. आई एम कीपिंग द कमांड लाइन फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू सी. ओके, आई एम सेविंग दिस फाइल. जब भी नया काम शुरू करें, ये भी आप ध्यान रखिए कि आपकी फाइल सेव करते चलिए. ओके, इसी से ध्यान आया इन दी ऑप्शंस, ओपन एंड सेव वाला जो दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट जिसमें आपने 2004 किया था, देयर इज एन ऑटोमेटिक सेव ऑप्शन. आई हैव पुट इट एज 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes my file will be automatically saved even if I don't press Ctrl S. Okay, ऑटोमेटिक सेव एटलीस्ट 10 minutes रखना चाहिए. ज्यादा कम करेंगे तो वो बार बार सेव करेगा, and if you're working it will hang your system. Okay, 10 minutes is quite a big time. 10 minutes में you can save. All right, now if you look at this particular drawing, इसमें इतना सब सामान रखा हुआ. Can you see all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when I start the plan, I don't need other things. तो मुझे ना ये सारी चीजें नहीं चाहिए besides my important drawings. जो फालतू की चीजें हैं, छोटे मोटी चीजें हैं, just delete it. Just get rid of it. All right. Next command, very important command, is audit. 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 Audit word आप लोगों को पता होगा. It asks fix any errors. Okay, just type Y. Yes, so it will audit. Can you see total errors found 0, fix 0.
Yes, sir.
Audit command याद रखिएगा. ठीक है. Then the next command is purge. PU. I know you must be aware of this particular command, purge. What is purge command actually? Purge is, अभी मैंने इतना सब delete किया. There were blocks of doors and furniture and trees and things like that. There could be some layers also. Those things don't exist anymore. But इस फाइल की मेमोरी के अंदर वो ब्लॉक अभी भी हैं, वो लेयर अभी भी है. Those things are still there. The properties are still there. I don't want them anymore, so I purge them. Okay. Purge करने के बाद, ऑडिट करने के बाद, your file is fresh. तो इसको करने के बाद आपकी फाइल बिल्कुल साफ हो जाएगी. You are devoid of all external files, any other lines and etc. Okay, now we are on this particular plan. अब ये प्लान आप देख सकते हैं, बड़ा सिंपल सा रेक्टेंगल है. Maybe some of you may not be having some simple rectangle, but I have this particular file with me right now, and try to work with me. You can see the crosshairs, पूरे crosshairs हैं. Now this crosshair will help me. अच्छा, before getting into drafting, we need to understand these layers. You can see the layer palette right now. These are some of your basic layers. Zero and def point will be there already. Okay, no point in telling you. Then what you need, beam. This is going alphabetically, so anyways, you have a beam. Beam is, you can choose the color, whichever color you want. I like it in green color. Anyways, line type is hidden. Hidden पता है आप लोगों को ना, dash वाली hidden. there is a line type called hidden, and then 0.15 is a line weight. All right, इसका screenshot ले लो तुम लोग, or can you do it right now? Please copy this thing. I'm keeping this open right now. Please copy the layers. Maybe you can use the colors also, I don't mind. Use the line type and the line weight. सबने ये कर लिया है? Please note the line weights. I am not worried about the spelling mistake or things like that over here. The most important aspect over here is the line weight. Okay. The thickest line weight is your RCC. RCC is 35.35. Okay. Then we have your walls. Walls are, I've kept it at 0.25. Okay. Then we have wall 2. It is at 0.18. इसको 0.2 भी कर सकते थे. आप बोलेंगे 0.2 क्यों नहीं किया? Actually में when the print comes ना 0.25 and 0.2 are more or less the same. इसलिए थोड़ा सा और कम कर दिया 0.18 करने के. All right. When you say default, default is actually 0.2. आपके पास कोई भी default नहीं होना चाहिए except for 0 and def points maybe. कोई और default नहीं हो सकता है. Text should be 0. Text है और hatch है, ये default 0 डालो इसको, ठीक है, सोचना ही नहीं है. Text और hatch को 0 डालने का है. Dimension should be a little higher, 0.09. ठीक है. उसके बाद जो fixture, जो movable चीजें हैं, whichever are moving, furniture is not moving but doors, तो doors के लिए 0.05. It is just thicker than your hatch. Fixtures and furnitures 0.1315. Okay, then there is one line called grid. Grid line में dash dot रखना है, ये वाला dash dot. Line type dash dot, ध्यान रखना. Center line, this is called a center line, dash dot. 0.15 के साथ. RCC हो गया. Text. आपके लेयर पैलेट में एक नजर से देखना, कोई भी डिफॉल्ट नहीं लिखा होना चाहिए. डिफॉल्ट खाली डेफ पॉइंट हो सकता है और 0 हो सकता है. ओके, प्लीज रिमेम्बर. कई बार होता है सम ऑफ योर लेयर इज नॉट प्रिंटिंग, वो यहाँ पे आपने प्रिंटर ऑफ कर दोगे तो प्रिंट नहीं होगा. डू यू सी दिस प्रिंटर ऑफ कर दिया? ठीक है, तो वो प्रिंट नहीं होगा, प्लॉट नहीं करेगा वहां से. एनीवेज, मूविंग ऑन. Make sure everything, all your elements are in their layer. Wall window की लेयर में नहीं होनी चाहिए, window furniture की लेयर में नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई भी चीज 0 लेयर में नहीं होना चाहिए. Is this clear? Everything in its proper layer. Now everything if it's in proper layer, पहले तो इसको साफ करेंगे. Okay, पहले साफ करना मतलब I'm going to isolate. Please look at the command. I typed 3. 3 is lay iso. Everybody with me? Lay isolate के बाद ना settings पूछता है. Settings S. I typed S. अब settings में दो चीज होती है, off करना है कि lock and fade करना है. Okay. If I say off अगर करेंगे तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. I selected the dimension वाला layer. So everything is off now. You can see. Can everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब मैं एक ही बार में select करके I can clean it up. Okay. I cleaned it up and then I brought it back. Lay on. So how many commands did I use to clean it up? 1 to isolate, 2 to delete, and 3rd to unisolate. आप देख सकते हैं पूरी ड्राइंग साफ होगी, सारे डायमेंशन फालतू के साफ कर दिए. ओके, मे बी यू कुड हैव मोर डायमेंशन. अभी देखो कुछ और डायमेंशंस बचे हैं. मे बी इट इज ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेयर. डू यू सी?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now I can see my crosshair. When I use my crosshair, I can See the grid lines. You can see this line which is growing across, na? When I move it, I can see मेरा beam कहाँ पर आना चाहिए. Okay. I use my grid lines. This is my grid. Okay. For your for this particular academic session, we had decided upon the column size. मैं इस वाले exercise के लिए I am giving you the column size. This drawing is in inches. Please don't mind. This column size is 9 by 15. Okay, this is in inches. Okay. Can you see the column? Okay, ये RCC का rectangle बना के, RCC का rectangle बना के, you hatch it up. And then you make a block out of it. How do you make a block? पूरा select करके Control Shift C, pick a point, and then Control Shift V. You get the block. You can see. Can you see the difference? Select करके Control Shift C, and then you pick a point. और escape करिए. फिर Control Shift V, you make a block. Okay, I don't need this original anymore. Now I am trying to put the columns. Now I'm going to place these columns. अब मैं column को पहले तो सबसे पहले you place them in the corners. Okay, I am going to draw something right now. Can you guys see?
Yes, sir.
मैं यहाँ पे एक sketch करके दिखा रहा हूँ तुमको. Okay, अगर ये आपकी slab है. Okay, imagine the columns over here. Can you see the columns? I have 9 columns, let's say. All right. If I talk about this particular slab, can you see this particular slab? This slab का जो load है, it is being carried 1/4 by this particular column, and 1/4 by this particular column, and 1/4 by this column, and 1/4 by this column. Do you see?
Yes, sir.
Similarly for all these guys, all the 9 ones. ठीक है? Do you agree? ये फंडा सब में चलेगा, है ना? अब इसको ध्यान से देखिए. What happens in these columns? इसके साथ क्या हुआ? This white one जो इसको मैं हैश किया, this becomes 1 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So this is actually 1/2. All right. और ये जो बीच वाला है, what happens to this fellow? Any guess? इसका क्या होगा बीच वाले का?
The 1.
Yes.
1.
It becomes 1. ठीक है? तो अब आपको ये समझ में आ गया इस चीज से कि which column is the strongest and which is taking the maximum load. All right. जो कोने वाला है 1/4 वो सबसे कम लोड ले रहा है. जो बीच में है it is taking half, और जो सेंटर में है it is the largest one. Do you understand the load distribution system in a framing system? समझ में आया आप लोगों को? एक फ्रेमिंग फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर में लोड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किस तरीके से होता है? Okay, now I use my grid lines and I use the command xline, xx. Again, x or l is too far, x and l is too far, so I use double x, xx line. It asks me horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect, offset. Okay, I write horizontal. यहाँ पे लाइन लगाया है, यहाँ पे लाइन लगाया है. This seems to be a legitimate line. Okay, I'm just marking important lines. Do you see what I'm doing? आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग इट, आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग, हाँ यार ये एक लाइन है, दिस इज some important line, this is some important line, this seems to be some important line. Okay, यहाँ पे दीवार आ रही है. These are all my horizontal. This one also seems like an important line. What are these important lines? These are all your walls. All right, these are all your walls. तो wall पे beam आएगी, वरना दीवार किस पे खड़ी होगी? It has to have a beam. If it's even on the ground floor, still it needs a plinth beam. तो beam तो आएगी ना, तो beam के ऊपर, तो ये beam की line हम denote कर रहे हैं. Your grid line is generally your beam की center line. All right, this is not the center line right now. This is just rough sketching it out. अगर मैं print out लेके करूँगा तो मैं जल्दी कर लूँगा. Okay. Anyways, these are your main lines, horizontal. Now we talk about vertical. This seems to be important. This seems to be important. This seems to be important. This is too small to be important. Do you see, guys? This is too small to be important. ये जो टॉयलेट के बीच की दीवार मैंने, can you see this line I just marked? मैंने मार्क कर दिया है, but this doesn't seem to be very important. Okay, फिर भी मैंने मार्क कर रहा हूँ. We'll see about it. Okay, and these two lines. ये समझ में आ गया सबको? This is the rough grid line you start off with your drawing. अगर इसमें कहीं पे आपको आगे पीछे हो रहा है 1.5 फीट का, 2 फीट का, किसी की दीवार ऐसे जा करके थोड़ा सा उठ करके, if there is a notch, let's say you had a wall going like this, and then थोड़ा सा उठ करके ऐसे करके you have closed it up. I saw somebody's toilet like this. I remember. This is a wall and there is a toilet. Then you should simply just streamline it together. Do you see this? ये मैंने अभी बगल में जो किया, did you see? ये अगर ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है, नॉच बन रहा है, तो आप उसको सीधा कर दें. ठीक है, ये ऐसा डब्बा बन रहा है, इसको आप नीचे कर दो, अलाइन कर दो. Maybe there should be some alterations, but that is the design development that is required. Okay, that is not changing, that is improving. Okay, I'm moving forward. Now in my design, if you see, these are the two bedrooms, and over here I have a shaft. All right, this is a shaft. And then there is a cupboard on both sides. This is a building. There is another building on this side. Okay, so this is a 3-side covered plot hai ye. Okay, this is one command which all of you can do. You never saw me select the text, did you? When I copied it. Whenever you say, abhi maine kya command kari? I have to. Everybody, can you see the screen right now?
Yes, sir.
I have to turn this particular text, building this side, जो blue green में लिखा है on your left. I have to turn this thing and I have to copy it on the 3 sides. So I rotate it, RO rotate. I rotated it and then I type move, M space. Now I'm not going to select it. Please note, I'm not selecting it. Instead I use P. P is the previous selection. Without selecting, I'm able to select it. यहाँ चिपका दिया. Okay, my cursor is somewhere else, and I need to copy it. C, copy, previous. यहाँ से यहाँ पे. Do you understand? P is previous.
Sir.
बिना सेलेक्ट करे उसी चीज को दोबारा यूज करना है तो कॉपी करो. R O सेलेक्ट किया, घुमाया, फिर M स्पेस P स्पेस. Okay, M space P space. P is previous. All right. अगेन आई यूज प्रीवियस, घुमाया, यहाँ पे लाया, रखा। इस साइड बिल्डिंग है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस माय कॉलम्स। ओके, ये मैं ग्रिड लाइन मैंने अपने आइडिया लगाने के लिए बना दिया। यू कैन सी दिस, these X lines are going way beyond. I don't need them to be so big. I can just chop them off. Okay, I am thinking of, now this is completely up to everybody. How do you want to put your columns? This is the way I'm going to put it right now. Now note what I'm doing. In this room I won't be able to see the beam anymore. अब beam नहीं दिखाई देगी. Okay, the beam would be here. ये दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Can you see the selected line? Can you see the selected line? यहाँ पे
Yes,
beam,
sir.
यहाँ पे beam आएगी. I'm just changing it into beam itself. ठीक है? So green dotted line, this is the beam. ठीक है भाई? तो अब ये beam देखेंगे, ये कमरे में नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, सिमिलरली बीम बनाने का दूसरा तरीका भी क्या है? अगर आप, चलो पहले we'll continue with the columns first. Okay, I placed this column over here. I'm going to place this column over here. Okay, अब मैं देख रहा हूँ I have a column, these two columns, they should be coming over here. ठीक है? This is coming in the toilet. You can see the column is coming in the toilet. Column in the toilet is not advisable. Please understand why. Column in the toilet is not advisable because जो तुम्हारा plumbing है, pipe, it can cut through the walls but not through the column. You have to cut through, तो बहुत risky हो जाता है. Column को नहीं, beam को फिर भी कर सकते हैं, column को नहीं करना चाहिए. So that means this is a no show. Right now, this is not good. So what do we do? I may think of turning it up like this and maybe putting it like this. Do you see what I have done? मैंने घुमा दिया, टॉयलेट वहीं पर है. Sorry, column is still there. It is at that same location, but it is not in the toilet anymore. Okay, it is not in the toilet anymore. टॉयलेट से बाहर है column. अब बेडरूम में आ रहा है. Okay, please note the column is in the bedroom now. तो क्या करेंगे? अब column bedroom में भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए. तो I can't help it now, to be very honest, क्योंकि मैंने एक को बचा लिया, दूसरे को नहीं बचा सकता हूँ. So maybe I can think of creating something like this. Okay, just stay with me. Now if you see, I am getting two notches on both sides, equal notches on both sides of the room. ठीक है? दिख रहा है सबको? So this can create like a, I don't know, some element on the wall you can create. बाद में interiors में it can help you out. Okay. So you can see structure can also help you in interiors also. अगर आप उसको सही से place करेंगे तो. Now working on that same idea, वहां से मैंने कॉलम यहाँ पे लेकर के आएंगे, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट लाइन पे, वहीं के वहीं है. बेडरूम में इट इज हैविंग दैट सेम इफेक्ट. ओके, कॉर्नर्स के लिए. ऑलराइट, नाउ अब बीच में please understand, if you're doing a residence, generally you can take it up till 15 feet. 15 feet is around 5 meters, 5 meters, 5.5 meters maybe. 5 मीटर से ज्यादा बड़ा मत जाइए span. Okay, I hope everybody is listening. रेसिडेंस में 5 मीटर से बड़ा स्पैन ना बनाए, ठीक है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि नहीं बन सकता, आई एम सेइंग कि ना बनाए। बनाने को स्पैन बहुत बड़ा बन सकता है, तुम लोगों ने सबने देख ही रखा है। कृष्णा, तबीयत ठीक है बेटा? हैं?
सर
सब लोग ऐसे ही मरे पड़े हो कृष्णा की तरह, लाइंग लाइक अ डॉग? ट्राई टू स्टडी भाई। एनीवेज, 15 feet, 5 meters maximum span you try to keep. Now I can see I have another grid line over here, so maybe I can put my column maybe here, maybe in a way it helps me somewhat. And then on this side also. Can you see what I've done? I have given the columns on one side. एक bedroom को I did that. The other one I did not do that. Okay. I can do the vice versa also. उस तरफ में कर सकते हैं, इस तरफ में कर दे। बीच में नहीं रखना चाहिए। Okay. बीच में क्यों नहीं रखना चाहिए? क्योंकि if you keep it in the center, let's say I do it like this. Center में आ गया, everybody can see. I get 2 notches on both the rooms. ये प्लास्टर करने में बहुत मुश्किल होती है, ठीक है। इट्स आइडियल कि एक तरफ हो जाए इश्यू, दूसरी तरफ ना हो, ठीक है भाई। I'll choose, let's say I've chosen this bedroom as to be a better one, so I keep this flush. All right. Or if I choose this one, I move the column on the other side. Anyways, this is how these two columns are coming. Okay. Now we see, I feel that there is a need for column over here. Okay. पहले तो कोने कोने में we'll start off with the corner ones. अब इधर आ जाओ, यहाँ पे कोने में आएगा, and it would be something like this. Ideally, if these are your 2 columns. If you look at my video, look at me. See, if these are your 2 columns, okay, they are placed like this. The distance जो ये एक दूसरे के बीच में span है, they should be like this instead of facing each other. जो span है, लंबा span है, उस तरफ में ये the longer side on the longer span. Okay, let me put it this way. So this is one side. Maybe this is the other side. Okay, and then maybe I want to keep it over here. Okay, okay. You can do this, or you can turn it, and let me turn it like this. Maybe I want to turn it, keep it like this, कि उधर भी ना जाए, इधर भी ना जाए, something like that. Huh? Maybe I'll shift this thing. Maybe this wall becomes, this wall is no more 4.5. This is, let's say, 9-inch thick. So I get a cleaner surface over here in the staircase. Okay. Maybe you don't want to do the those notches. The notches are not good. Okay. Please always note this thing. The notches and the corners are not good. If you can use it as a decorative, fine, but it is not good anyways. All right. I would have loved to remove these 2 central columns and not create a notch at all. Okay, but that will create ये column बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे corner वाले. All right. Now in the same grid, maybe these two columns also come here. Okay. Now if you look at this thing carefully, there seems to be one plate. I cannot have this column in the center. Can I have this column? Can anybody tell me? Can I have this column in the center over here? Should I have it?
No, sir.
No. Obviously no. कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? ठीक है. So I should be removing this column and placing it somewhere else. Now look at this. What is happening now? Maybe now look at this. What is happening over here? I'm creating a plate. This is a plate over here. You can see this plate. You can see this green plate. This is one plate. Okay. मैं आपको साफ करके दिखा रहा हूँ. Just think of these things as plates. ये एक प्लेट है, ये दूसरी प्लेट है, ये सारी छोटी-छोटी प्लेट हैं अलग-अलग. We need to hold them together through different columns, and plates need beams. There is a load which is on the slab. Okay, the slab से beam पे जाता है load. The beam transfer girder. It is called the transfer girder, and that beam से column पे जाता है. So vertically it goes down to the earth. That is the how your load is distributed. So you need to be very sure about it. How does these things happen? So once you are through thinking about that, you can see I can maybe jiggle it up like this. Let's say this is one plate. Okay, this is one plate. Everybody can see. Okay, maybe okay, this is another plate. Maybe this is one plate, patla sa dono toilet wala. Maybe this is another plate. This is definitely one plate, and this is one big large plate. ठीक है भाई? Now try and understand what is happening. Toilet में, if you're thinking of doing a sunken slab or not, आप लोगों को पता है sunken slab देते हैं toilet में? Why? What is the reason? All of you know?
Plumbing services.
Piping के लिए.
Yes.
Plumbing.
Yes, exactly, exactly. What happens is that the slab is sunken. The slab is, I'm just sketching it out over here. Okay. It is like this. It is a sunken slab section में देख रहे हैं हम इसको. और इसके यहाँ पे you have pipes running. Okay. Now there is another way of doing this thing. In that thing, we don't take a sunken slab. We have a normal slab, and then we punch through the slab, and then we have our those what do you say, those traps. Traps होते हैं ना आपके? Do you know the traps?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, वो ये ऐसे, अब ये नीचे वाले के जो टॉयलेट है ना, नीचे वाले के कमरे में ऐसे छत पे पाइप आ जाते हैं. Okay, and then what do? We create a false ceiling. ठीक है भाई? We create a false ceiling, and we create openable false ceiling. Do you understand? ओपनेबल
Yes.
फॉल सीलिंग बना देंगे छत पे. यू कैन ओपन इट अप, रिपेयर योर
Maintain.
पाइप एंड क्लोज इट बैक. ठीक है. वरना जनरली पुराने मकानों में जिनमें संकन स्लैब्स हैं, तो जब तक शाफ्ट में पीपल का पेड़ नहीं दिखाई देता है ना, nobody understands the damage the building has gone through. Okay, there would be a people ka ped coming out from your shaft. That is telling me that there is pipe leakage going on for years. Okay, and the sunken slab is taking it until it just breaks down. Okay, in this scenario, there is no chance of if there is a leakage and it goes by you. अगर लीकेज होगा तुरंत फॉल सीलिंग में दिखाई दे जाएगा. It will get discolored, or smell will be there, so you can repair it quickly. Plus you have not created any load on the structure. Sunken slab में मलबा भरते हैं, इतना कंगर भरते हैं, लाइट वेट फिलिंग करते हैं. That thing you can avoid. All right. So in any case, this seems to be a slab over here. All right. Now you can even do this thing कि यहाँ पे अब ये कॉलम आपको सबको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Can everybody see the columns I have placed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to justify the location of the column and the orientation of the column. Okay. अब मैं आपको orientation का फंडा समझा देता हूँ. What happens? What is the basic funda behind it? Let's say my beam is 9 inches thick. Okay, 9 inches. The beam will run like this. Sorry. The command I'm using is ML. This is multi-line. Please note it, ML. Note कर लिया भाई सबने? Can I move forward? ML, multi-line.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you type ML, it'll ask for justification, scale or style. You can use scale S, and I've typed in 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches मेरा करा हुआ है, तो 9 inches will be the thickness. That is the distance between the two lines. 9 inches. Do you see? अच्छा, बीम किस तरीके से कॉलम के ऊपर रेस्ट करेगी, किन दशाओं में रेस्ट करेगी? This is not possible. These are the ways a beam can rest on a column. Do you see? मतलब
Yes, sir.
ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ये इधर शिफ्ट भी हो सकता है, नो इश्यूज. लेकिन किसी भी कंडीशन में the beam will never be half on the column, half outside the column. Do you understand? बीम हमेशा किसी ना किसी सरफेस पे, कॉलम के सरफेस के साथ फ्लश करेगी. The whole beam will rest. The half beam or थोड़ा सा एक आध इंच, you might have seen some places, the beam is not on the column exactly. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, कॉलम के बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए बीम को. Generally the beams are thinner than your columns, so the beams have to be completely on the columns. ये सबको clear हो गया भाई? Everybody clear so far? Okay. Now the columns are placed. My grid lines are somewhat over here. Now these grid lines have to go, and beam lines have to come. Okay, I'm just switching them off. I'm switching them off. I'm not deleting them. I'm switching them off. Now my beam comes in. 9 इंच की बीम जा रही है चारों तरफ. I'm thinking maybe 9 by 12 inches would be the beam. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm working on the beam layer and I'm trying to do the framing plan. Okay. कहाँ beam आएगी? I'm trying to locate those beams. I'm trying to draw those beams. My structural engineer will tell me what kind of reinforcement and what kind of सरिया इसमें कौन सा लगेगा, to be sure. I'm moving on. Now these grid lines, these gray lines, they have to be the center line of my beam. They have to be the center line of my beam. ध्यान रखिएगा. So this is, I have to shift it to the center, that is 4.5 inches. Okay, I'm moving this. There is no beam over here. I'm moving it over here. Okay. Similarly, ये भी इसके center में आ गया. This thing moves at the center of my beam. This thing moves at the center of my beam. All my grid lines should be at the center of the beam. These are the center lines of the beam. They have nothing to do with the walls. They have everything to do with the beams and beams only. तो कोई भी center line beam के center में रहेगी. ये grid line is also the center line of the beams. ठीक है भाई, everybody with me so far? आप लोग देख सकते हैं. I've just created these beams lines and then I've created these center lines. Everybody with me so far? The grid line is the center line of the beams. Columns भी डाल दिए, grid भी डाल दिए. Now we do one thing and we start naming them. This is very important right now, so that when you are working and you are sending drawings on the site and you get a call and you're not able to coordinate with them, you can know which column they're talking about. So how do you do that? इसको आप text में ले सकते हैं. Okay, I'm creating a different layer altogether. I'm naming it as text 02. Okay, can you see the balloon which we have created? This is X, this is grid balloons. X01 कर दिया मैंने. I'm copying these. This is the X-axis and these are the grid numbers. 01, you can type 02, 03, 04, 05. Okay. Now on this side, this becomes Y. तो अभी मैं आपको फोन करके पूछूं कि सर वो वाला कॉलम सीधा से नहीं बन रहा है, तो आप पूछेंगे कौन सा कॉलम, तो मैं उसको आपको बोलूंगा सर x2 और y4 वाला कॉलम. Then you will open your drawing, you are in the office, you will open the drawing and you will locate that particular column on your drawing by the coordinates which I am giving you. So grid lines are actually the coordinates of your structural members. Okay, please note this thing. The grid lines, they are nothing but your coordinates. All right. तो ये अब आप देख सकते हैं कि एक एक बीम मैं फोन करके आपको बोल सकता हूँ कि x2 पे जो बीम है उसमें दिक्कत आ रही है, कि y4 पे जो शटरिंग लगाई है वहां पे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कि सर ये जो x4 और x5 के बीच में y3 है उसमें दिक्कत आ रही है. So you can clearly understand which particular beam or column or member we are talking about. All right. स्टेज पर हम लोग आ चुके हैं. इस स्टेज पे ये ड्राइंग जाती है आपकी शटरिंग के लिए. ओके, लेकिन इसमें भी कुछ कुछ कमियां हैं अभी, मतलब इतना काम शटरिंग के लिए चाहिए होता है. इसमें फॉर शटरिंग यू वुड नीड इलेक्ट्रिकल लेआउट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि उसमें पाइप डलते हैं ना आपके पंखों के लिए और लाइट के लिए. ओके, नाउ फ्रेमिंग बीम डल गया आपका, आपको बाकी सारी चीजें दिखाई दे रही हैं. ऑल राइट. नाउ what is the next step? Next step we go into the dimensions. Dimensioning. First layer of dimension. First layer of dimension. ये देखिए क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे. I think this is not the center. 4, 5 by 8 नहीं आना चाहिए. जब भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आए, you redo the line. You don't correct it. You don't see. Can you see the problem? You don't correct it. You don't change it. You don't edit it. You just delete it and make another line. It will be faster. Trust me. It will be faster. It will be much better. ठीक है, ये ध्यान रखेंगे आप लोग. Please note that if you find any error in any line, just delete it and redo it. Don't edit और ये सब मत करना. फिर उससे क्या है कि आपका जो एरर है ना वो पड़ता रहेगा. Now I am giving the first chain of dimensions. This is the chain of dimensions. Okay, ये chain है. अब आप देखेंगे my dimensions are little haywire right now. I can deal with a half. I cannot deal with 5 by 8s and 7 by 8s. Do you understand? 5 by 8s and 7 by 8s में काम नहीं चलेगा. 7, 5, 12. 12 यानी कि 1.5 inch यहाँ पे extra है. तो what do we do? We just adjust it. How do we adjust? अब इसी को आगे पीछे करते हैं. Let's say this is 3 feet 11 inches. So let me make it 4 feet. Now you see the difference. साफ हो गया ना कितना? All right. Now again over here you can see 9, 10.5, 3, 1.5. ये half भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Half is only fine when 4.5 की बात कर रहे हो. Brickwork 4.5 का wall है तो that is fine. But कमरों के dimensions आधा नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. 3, 1.5 is also not good. या तो 3 हो या 3 से 3 हो. Okay. So let's put it like this. We are going to take it 3 feet 2 inches. वो half वाला फंडा हम हटा देंगे. So I'm removing this thing. मैंने grid line तो shift कर दिया, ठीक है, but grid line के हिसाब से ये beam lines और बाकी सारी चीजें भी shift होंगी. Okay. ये इधर. Now look at these shifting. These have to be shifted. These have to be shifted. ये shift होगा. Exactly उसी lines पे आएंगे, beam की line पे. This is your beam lines. Okay. Now you see 9 feet 10, 3 feet 2, 4 feet, 4 feet 3. एकदम neat हो गए. Dimensions have become neat. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
All right. अभी भी मेरे को
Yes,
लगता है
sir.
कि 9 feet 10 नहीं होकर के this should have been 10 feet maybe. 2 इंच उधर होना चाहिए था इनफैक्ट. तो ये 10 फीट पूरा हो जाता. Do you agree? If you agree
Yes,
with
sir.
me, we will
sir.
do this thing कि इसको 2 इंच हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे. Now see, 3 फीट इधर हो गया, 10 फीट इधर हो गया. चक्कर क्या है, जब तुम साइड पे when you give these kind of dimensions with half inches and 3 by 4 inches and 7 by 8 inches, these kind of dimensions is not possible for the I mean it becomes very difficult for the workers, for the construction workers. उनको वो accuracy नहीं ला पाएंगे. तुम बोलोगे 10 फीट तो 10 फीट समझ में आएगा. 10 फीट 2 इंच, 9 फीट 10 इंच, ये क्या मतलब है? ठीक है, so just round it off. Okay, so these are improvements in your building. These are not changes. रोने मत लगना कि change हो रही है. Of course change हो रही है, improve हो रही है. ठीक है? These are improvements in your drawings. All right. Now we have set the dimensions on one axis. Let us set on the other axis as well. Again, you can see the errors. Can you see the errors? So ये errors को ठीक करना है. 6 1/8. 6 1/8 is not going down well with me. I would say 6 feet 6 inches होना चाहिए था. 1/8 का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. So I'm going to 1/8. Okay. Similarly over here, 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. I'd rather do it like this. 7.5, 6, 3 by 6 by 6 feet 3 inches. This is fine. 4.5, you 4.5 wall की वजह से, that is the issue. Everybody clear so far? This is first chain of dimensions. Then this is the second chain of dimension, which is the master chain. Actually, this is called the master chain. 33 feet पूरा ऊपर से नीचे तक. Okay, so you have the master chain dimensions, you have the grid chain dimensions. दोनों dimensions आ गई. Then there is a third chain of dimensions, which is actually used for your doors and windows and openings. वो इसके अंदर आएगा या नीचे में जगह बनेगी. You can see the space I am just creating. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई कुछ, there is no need. This is a blank wall. This is a blank wall. There is some need over here. So I'm just marking it out. This is just the wall which I'm marking. Now look at what the dimensions are coming. 7 feet 3, 1/16. I don't understand. 1/16 क्यों आ रहा है? So what do? We correct this thing. We don't edit the dimension. We correct the drawing. How do we correct the drawing? We change it, we improve it. Now you can see 7 feet 3, 8 feet, 6 feet 9. These are all pure dimensions. These are not half, yeah, quarter, yeah, 1/16, all these things are not there. All right. तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा जब आप mm में काम कर रहे हैं तो minimum you can go is 50 mm. मतलब 3350 is fine. 3325 is a problem. Understand? 3350 कर दो या 3300 कर दो. Okay. Don't go smaller than 50. 50 से छोटा dimension नहीं होना चाहिए आपके पास. Generally walls में हो जाता है 113 and 230 and 115, but try not to go below 50. 2 inches से कम मत करिएगा. Okay. This is your base working drawing file is starting to take shape. ठीक है भाई? Now I'm going to switch this thing off. Coming back to the walls. अब हमको walls को ठीक करना है और doors को लगाना है. ठीक है? Let's say my toilets all are 2.5 feet doors. So I'm making these doors. Ideally, you should make your doors like this. You keep a notch so that your door doesn't bang to the wall. Now these notches, ये जो हमने यहाँ पे 4.5 inches का notch बनाया था. Now the problem of having a notch over here, let's say I'm putting a door just here. I cannot keep a notch of 4.5 inches over here because brickwork में नहीं बन पाएगा. Half, so you have to cut one brick half and then place it on top of each other. It will create a problematic kind of a thing, and then your frame has to go inside actually your column. तो वो column के साथ fix होगा. यहाँ पे हम वो notch नहीं देंगे. Okay. Notice the placement of the doors is at the center of the wall. Okay. Toilets में when you are on the toilets, door. Toilets and kitchen, they have a floor drop. They have a floor drop. Okay. Even the staircase should have a floor drop. Okay. All of you can see what we are doing. We are actually improving the brick work right now. So you can see these are now exact dimensions, 3 feet. Okay. I have two sizes of doors, 3 feet and 2.5 feet. All right. Now, this was a cupboard. तो यहाँ cupboard में फ्लोर में चेंज आता है, कबर्ड तो ऊपर उठा के बनाते हैं. ऑलराइट, यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर हो गया? दरवाजे बन गए सारे. देयर इज वन डोर एट द मेन डोर. बेसिकली यहाँ पर लगाएंगे मेन डोर. दिस इज सपोजिटली अ लार्जर डोर. This has to be a right size, so I'm taking it as a 4 feet big door. 4 feet का दरवाजा है. Maybe I don't want to keep one swing big 4 feet door. Maybe I'd like to have double leaf. All right. And then दो पल्ले का भी बना सकते हैं आप ये दरवाजा. This is a double leaf 4 feet wide door. Whatever you want to wish to put it. Doors are there. I just have a window, a sorry window over here. This is 3 feet something. This is 3 feet something. So might as well keep them at equal distance. You need to keep this thing at least 9 inches. Or you don't want to keep anything. Okay, this is something you need to understand. कॉलम के साथ में या तो कम से कम 9 इंच का ब्रिक वर्क रहेगा, नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
See, my window is also 3 feet now. I may not need the extra 3 inches or whatever. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी 5/8. I don't need that. So I don't. I'm not, editing, stretching these things most of the time. Most of the time, I would draw a fresh line and make a fresh offset, and then maybe do it. Do you understand? अभी भी देखो गलती हो रहा है ना, मतलब ये डायमेंशन में कहीं गलती हो रहा है. ये देखो. Now it is clear. Always make a fresh line, no problem. X line, XX double type and space, अंगूठे से हो जाएगा. XX space, अंगूठे से हो जाएगा ये. ठीक है. खिड़की बना दी, दरवाजा बना दिया आपने, कॉलम लगा दिया. If I switch on everything, this is the condition of your drawing right now. You even have the furniture. Maybe I don't need these building this side anymore. Of course, there is a building that side. Okay, ये आप लोगों को समझाने के लिए मैंने दिखाया था. Okay, यहाँ तक everybody is clear? Now, next step is your hatching. Okay, switch off everything. Just keep your walls. This is just the walls. अब walls को क्या करना है? हैच करना है, ठीक है। पहले you close every wall. You can see all these walls, just fillet them up, close them up, no gaps, nothing. What line is this? I don't know. ठीक है, सारे गैप क्लोज कर दिए. You can trim it out. All right. Now hatch and see 32. इसमें आपको स्केल करना पड़ेगा. You have to see what scale you're feeling it correct. So there is a hatch wall. I'm going to use this hatch wall. Okay. Walls are hatched. Okay. Now, I'm not discussing design right now, but there are a lot of issues of design which you have to consider. For example, these two toilets and the kitchen, they don't have an exhaust. Maybe I need to create an exhaust someplace. कोई shaft बनानी पड़ेगी मेरे को. ठीक है. So let's say I create a shaft somewhere over here, which may be able to take care of both these things. Let's say I'm creating a shaft. So this was not part of my original design. You will say कि sir change करवाने लगे आप मेरा design. No, but try and understand. जो ये building है, which if there is an issue, if you can see an issue कि यहाँ पे यार ventilation problem है या whatever issue you can see, then it is your responsibility that you correct it. Okay, once the building is built, then you will not be able to correct it. Okay. So always remember, then if it is not built, अभी तक building जब तक बनी नहीं है, तब तक आप करिए change. ठीक है. It is good that you change. Okay, it is very good that you change. And a shaft बना दिया now. Now I have created a shaft. It is taking care of my kitchen and also the toilet on this side. Now I'm worried about this particular toilet. What happens to this toilet? Maybe I need to create a shaft for this one also. Okay, now where do I create a shaft for this? एक तो यहाँ पे कर दिया हमने. Now यहाँ पे हम exhaust fan लगा सकते हैं to the shaft, and let's say I created a shaft over here. So this guy, I created a shaft somewhere over here. All right. You need to create shaft. कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. Maybe you could go back to the drawing board, perhaps make this shaft a better located. Maybe you want to keep it in the center of these two, a big shaft at the center right here. ठीक है. यहाँ पे हम बना सकते हैं बड़ा shaft दोनों के लिए, and kitchen के लिए एक छोटा shaft अलग से चला देंगे. Something like that you can always design, but you now understand that these things are there and they have to be done. तो वो यही स्टेज होता है वर्किंग ड्राइंग के टाइम पे, when you do these kind of decisions. All right, am I getting through to you guys? समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? अगर चेंज करने का समय है तो वो यही है. ठीक है, अभी ही चेंज करना होता है, अभी इम्प्रूव करना होता है आपको. चलिए, let's say I've kept these two shafts and I'm going through with this. Okay. Maybe this is a service shaft from this side of the toilet, but over here I can use it with a glass and all those things. So let's say center से मैंने एक पतला सा from the floor to the ceiling एक full height का glass लगा दिया यहाँ पे, and the glass is not more than 18 inches, maybe less than that in fact, maybe एक ही feet का है, पतला सा glass लगा दिया. Just for the sake of some light. Okay. So I have some glass over here. I don't have anything over here. You can match property quickly. All right, we can hatch it anytime, no issues. ये आपने कर दिया. I don't need these dimensions right now. I'm removing them. Okay, I don't. Okay, I'm just shifting it a little bit below. अच्छा, now on this side I need windows. Living room में, bedroom में I need windows. ठीक है. So you may create windows or you can think of the elevation. If you already have the elevation, then you already have the windows with yourself. If you do, then you just have to streamline the size of your window. जो अभी हमने यहाँ पे किया था. If you all paid attention, the size of the windows over here. Which issue is there? What is the issue is that these lines are a little bigger. See, the window sizes have been streamlined on one side. So similarly, if your window sizes, you can streamline those sizes. 3.5 feet है तो 3 feet कर दें. 3 feet 4 inch है तो 3 feet 3 inches कर दो या 3 feet 6 inches कर दो. Always work in 3 inches. If you're doing in mm, you can always convert 3 inches is approximately 75 mm, and 4.5 inches is approximately 100 mm. So 100 would be the best way of putting up your sizes, but you can even work with 50 mm also, as I said earlier. All right. Now at this particular stage, I would like you all to bring your drawings at this particular stage, all the plans.